Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start this chapter Going to School part 2. Before starting this chapter, we will discuss in our previous classes what you read about this chapter. So you are ready to give answer. Okay. In previous class we studied about bamboo bridge, trolley in mountains, and vellum. Bamboo bridge is made from bamboo, located in Assam. Okay. Trolley, where is located trolley? Ladakh, mountain areas. Very good. And vellum, what is vellum? Vellum is small boat. Okay. It's made from wood and used in Kerala. Okay. Yes, very good. Cement bridge also we discussed in previous class. Cement bridge made from cement, iron rods, stones, etc. So, and you know that cement bridge and bamboo bridge both are different from each other. You know how? Because bamboo bridge is made from bamboo and it's located on Assam, but cement bridge everywhere we can look in our city also. In which city we are living? Jaipur. Okay. In our city we can look cement bridges. Okay. Today we start part 2, going to school. In different areas that people use different type of vehicles according to landforms. So student, their children also go to school different type of vehicles according to their landforms. We discussed about in Kerala in mountain areas and cement bridge, but today we will start from Rajasthan. Okay, this is our state. We are living in Rajasthan. You can see in this map Rajasthan is here. Okay, it's red color. You can see here Rajasthan. Rajasthan capital. What is the capital of Rajasthan? Jaipur. Very good. Capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Okay. So camel cart located in Rajasthan. We live in the desert. There is sand all around. It gets very hot in the day. We ride in a camel cart to reach school. Can you tell me how the camel can walk on sand? According to previous class 3rd, in English textbook, chapter is the ship of the desert. Have you remember this? The ship of the desert. Okay. Why do we call ship of the desert to camel? Because camel can walk on burning sand. उसके जो पैर होते हैं ना, उसके वो जो पैर लंबे होते हैं और नीचे से क्या चौड़े होते हैं, उनकी जो शेप जो होती है वो ऐसे वाइड शेप होती है. सो इट कैन वॉक इजीली ऑन द बर्निंग सैंड. और वहाँ के जो बच्चे हैं, वहाँ के जो लोग हैं, डेजर्ट में जो एरिया में जो पीपल, वहाँ के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, वो भी स्कूल जाने के लिए कैमल कार्ट यूज़ करते हैं. कैमल पे या तो बैठ के ऊपर जाएंगे, जो हम्प है वहाँ पे एक सीट लगी होती है, वहाँ पर बैठ के, हम्प जानते हो ना, जो ऊपर निकला रहता है ऊँट को, हम्प. Okay, so camel cart are used in deserts. Camel walks easily on hot sand. Children ride in camel cart to reach school. Next is bullock cart. Bullock cart, it pulls by bull. Okay, pulls by bull. You can see in this picture there are bulls and pulling this cart. Okay, we ride in our bullock cart going slowly through the green fields. Green fields मतलब जो अपने खेत होते हैं वहाँ जाने के लिए हम यूज करते हैं. ओके. इफ इट इज टू सनी और रेनिंग वी यूज अवर अम्ब्रेलाज. इफ समटाइम्स जब उसमें जाके जा रहे होते हैं कहीं, एक वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस मूवमेंट कर रहे होते हैं, सो सनी डे है, रेनिंग डे है, तो उसकी हम क्या यूज करते हैं, एक अम्ब्रेला जो होता है उसको यूज करते हैं. सम कार्ट्स हैव रूफ्स. यू कैन सी इन सेकंड पिक्चर दिस कार्ट्स हैव a roof. Okay, roofs. You can see in this picture. Okay, next is bicycle ride. Bicycle ride. Okay, you can see in this picture many girls are riding on bicycle. We ride our bicycles on the long road to school. समवेयर जहाँ के कुछ स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं वो साइकिल से, आप अपने स्कूल में भी, हम भी कई बच्चे स्कूल साइकिल से आते हैं ना. साइकिल इज द इको फ्रेंडली आल्सो, सो वी यूज दिस बाइसाइकिल टू मूवमेंट शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस. At first, girls here did not go to school because it was too far. But now groups of 7-8 girls easily ride even through the difficult roads. So in olden days, गर्ल्स जो थी वो दूसरी ज़्यादा दूर पे जाते नहीं थे स्कूल पे. तो स्कूल जाने के लिए उनको एजुकेशन, उनकी कंटिन्यूटी रखने के लिए क्या किया कि उनके लिए बाईसाइकिल से सी सरकार जो गवर्नमेंट है उसने प्रोग्राम किए ऐसे बहुत सारे. नेक्स्ट, जुगाड़. A combination of different vehicles. Combination of different vehicles. You can see in this picture. This is bike. Front is bike and second is trolley type, and it's made out of planks of wood. Okay, ये आप देख रहे हैं ना, planks of wood, जो लकड़ी के फट्टे, planks और लकड़ी के जो फट्टे होते हैं लंबे लंबे, उनसे बना जाता है. ओके, जुगाड़. What a vehicle. Look at our special transport. It's located in Gujarat. It sounds fut 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 when it runs. It sounds fut 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 when it's run. Is it not something special? The front looks like a motorcycle, but the carriage at the back is made out of planks of wood, and people are sitting inside of the jugaad. You can see in this picture. You know, a poem on a jugaad. The jugaad is made of scrap. Scrap means waste material. Waste material जैसे बाइक का आगे का हिस्सा लिया, पीछे ट्रॉली का हिस्सा, so different. The jugaad is made of scrap and the makes the noise fut fut fut. It helps take children to school very fast, making the noise fut fut fut. Jugaad. You can see this type of vehicles in Gujarat, and you can see in this picture India map. This red color is Gujarat. Capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. And you remember that अपने राष्ट्रपिता महात्मा गांधी जी का जन्म स्थान गुजरात में था. ठीक है. Next, children cross the jungle. Children cross the jungle. We have to go through a thick forest to reach school. But somewhere जो अपना इंडिया का जो रीजन है, इसमें कहीं पर बहुत थिक फॉरेस्ट, जंगल, उसमें भी बच्चे क्रॉस करके स्कूल जाते हैं. एजुकेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. दैट्स व्हाई they go to school every day to passing through the jungle. This is very scaring, but creature sounds. At some place it is so thick that even sunlight does not pass through. It is also very silent there. You can only hear the sounds of different birds and other creatures. Birds and other creatures. Creatures means जंगल में कुछ और भी एनिमल्स रहते हैं छोटे बड़े, तो उनका जो साउंड है वो सुनने को मिलता है. तो बच्चे एक साथ ग्रुप में होके वहाँ स्कूल जाने हैं. चिल्ड्रन क्रॉस द जंगल. Moving the snow. See how we reach school. We go to school through miles of snow. We hold hands and walk carefully. If the snow is soft, our feet sink into it. When the snow is frozen, we may slip and fall. So this is very carefully to move on the snow. Next is rocky paths. Rock means होता चट्टान. Rock means चट्टान. तो जो पथरीले रास्ते होते हैं, चट्टान की जो रास्ते होते हैं, उनको बोलते हैं rocky paths. We live in the mountains. जो माउंटेन्स एरिया है इंडिया के मैप में, हमने देखा कि जो नॉर्थन कंट्रीज जो हैं, स्टेट्स जो हैं, वो क्या है, माउंटेन्स में आते हैं. नॉर्थन स्टेट्स, इसमें अपन mountains area we can see here in blue color. This is Uttaranchal of our country. Okay, Uttaranchal. There is Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. So these states are mountains. So their path is rocky path. This is dangerous rocky mountains. You can see in these pictures, it's very dangerous. The children who live in the plains will find it difficult to walk on these, but those people are living there, they can easily race up and down. वहाँ के जो लोग रहते हैं माउंटेन्स पे जो ऑलरेडी रहते हैं तो उनको ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्टीज नहीं होती, वो आराम से उस पर मूवमेंट कर सकते हैं. जब हम अगर हम वहाँ जाएँ तो क्योंकि हमारा हैबिट में नहीं है, इसलिए हमें थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्टीज वहाँ पे हो सकती हैं. Children going to school in different situations. You can see in 4 pictures. Some students going across the river, help of the rope and help of the bamboo bridge, hanging bridge. Okay, that students are going moving. You know, students, who is this in picture? Recognize him? Our former president. Our former president, Sri Abdul Kalam Azad, he used to cross river to go to school. And our former Prime Minister also, Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri ji, go to school to swim across the river. Yes, you can see in this picture, Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri ji, our former Prime Minister. Next, some symbols. Walk in a line for safety. Discipline learn from me. You can learn discipline from ant, camel, and you can see in this picture, students are moving from the river, making a line. And this is picture also making line. And this is symbol is speed breaker. Speed breaker. And this symbol for school. And this symbol is zebra crossing. Thank you, students. This is our topic is completed now, going to school, and I hope you enjoy this chapter and you understand this chapter. Next video I will ask some questions to you, so stay home, stay safe.